Oh, what a view. It's like I'm walking on a dream out of Malibu. When I'm with you, I feel the air heating up like the middle of June. You got them sunshine eyes, sweet as can be. I'm burning up for you, baby. Your love is like the summertime.
Pakabait ka na. Mabait naman ako.
Butterflies, ooh. Every time I look into your eyes, I'm in paradise.
Travel mo. Bawasan mo muna.
Ooh. It's like I'm in a sunny day, clear skies, sipping on a lemonade, poolside. Your love is like the summertime. I'm burning for you, you. Ain't it amazing? Even the cold winter nights ain't fading. This love is blazing.
Strong ka, love. Ganun ka. Strong ka, di ba? Pakita mo sa kanila.
Yeah, you got them sunshine eyes, sweet as can be. I'm burning up for you, baby. Your love is at the summertime.
Sorry, mahaba.
Ooh, every time
I love you siya! I love you. Isa pa nga, ma. I love you.
it's like I'm in a sunny day, clear skies, sipping on a lemonade, poolside. Your love is at the summertime. I'm burning for you, you. I'm burning for you,
My love, finally, ito na. Ito na talaga at wala nang atrasan pa. We've been dreaming of this for 2 years and finally we're here. This is the start of our journey of our forever. Not just boyfriend and girlfriend, but a husband and wife.
I never imagined that our lives would lead us to this moment. Hindi ko kailanman inakala na darating tayo sa puntong ito, natatayo ako dito sa harap ng Diyos at ng mga mahal natin sa buhay para mga kung habang buhay kitang pipiliin.
Whenever people ask me how we met, introvert ka at very extrovert ako. Opposite attracts kasi. During pandemic of 2021, I met IJ through a dating app, and who would have thought that a swipe right would lead me to the right person?
Nung unang beses kitang makita sa mall, may kung anong pamilyar sa'yo. Parang matagal na kitang kilala. Parang matagal na kitang hinihintay.
Ngayon, papasok ka na sa bagong yugto ng buhay mo. Tapos na yung pagiging binata mo ngayon. Ano yan? Galingan mo na lang.
Bilyong nakasilong, ikaw ang aking nakasalong.
Kasi buhay may asawa ay hindi madali. Love one another and always understand joys. Kasi ang buhay ay wala nang atrasan. I love you.
At araw-araw napapatanong, paanong natupad aking pulong, kung bakit sa tulad ko'y napala.
I promise to always try my very best to be the best wife for you. Thank you for being you. Thank you for your patience. Maraming patience. Alam nyo yan. Chat. Thank you for loving me and for choosing me every day.
With you, I discovered what real peace feels like.
Kung para sa'kin, dalangin kita. Tira ka lang darating. Di ka na kun wakon wari akin. Paano na yan?
Thank you for being my person, my safe place, and my home. I am deeply honored to walk through this life with you. Whatever the future holds, I'm excited, I'm ready, and I'm grateful because I get to face it all with you. Asawa ko habang buhay.
Dalangin kita.
Natutunan kong maniwala sa sarili ko. Natutunan kong sapat pala ako, mahalaga pala ako, at posible palang mahalin ng buo. Totoo at walang kondisyon.
Dalangin kita.
Yung ganon,
Tama na.
sige. Ilalaman.
I met you at a summer wedding from my best friend. Time stopped as you walked.
Kahit mag-aasawa na ako, kapitbahay mo lang. Nandito ako palagi para sa kahit lagi tayo nag-aaway. I love you always.
Just friends. I was praying that you didn't know.
Let us enjoy and cherish every moment together and forever. I love you so much, Irwin Jan Crisostome Mirza.
So take me by the hand.
IJ, you may kiss your bride.
I don't care if
I say,